Welcome to my trading psychology video. We are going to talk about 3 more citations from Ivan Biaggi. It will be number 39, 40 and 41. So let's get into it. Let's straight get into it. 39. Trade your set of rules, not your impulses. This is correct. You must trade your rules, your system, and not your impulses. It is the question is not what you feel like, what do you think, what is your sentiment with the market, but what your trading system tells you to do, and that is what you should do. It has nothing to do with your feelings. Number 40. It is neither your analytic skills nor your math skills that will make you a great trader. It is your determination. Okay, for trading, since it's a very tough endeavor, you need to be determined, and you need to want to trade and to be able to make risk management and follow your system. So there must be determination. But it is neither your analytical skills. Well, analytical skills, being able to follow your system is an analytical skill. And so I don't agree 100% with it's not your analytical skills, nor your math skills. Well, math has nothing to do with it. It's not because you're good in math that you will be good at trading. It has nothing to do with it. But your analytical skills, if you analyze, for example, Elliott wave as I do, it has some importance that you can do that well. How much? 20%. 20%. The next 50% is philosophy, psychology, and the last 30% is risk management. But it has something to do. Analytical skills, as I understand them, have something to do with trading. So it is still important, but it is not sufficient. It is not because you have analytical skills, because you can follow because you understand Elliott wave and you can follow it. Well, if you can follow it, then it helps. But understanding it is not enough. And number 41. Trade for the love of it, not for the money. Money is just a byproduct and comes as a result of trading well. This is perfectly correct, and it's an important lesson. You should trade because you want to trade. You should trade because you want to be in the market. You should not trade because of the money. The money is just a byproduct, as he says. So it comes when you do your job well. It will simply appear in your account. I want to say like by magic. No, it's not magic, but it simply happens once you do what you should do in the market, once you follow your trading system. So yes, money is a byproduct. Don't focus too much on money. Focus on following your system. For me, it's Elliott wave. Focus on risk management, and focus on psychology, philosophy. If you do that well, then the money will just appear. It's a question of time, and you keeping practicing and doing the same thing over and over again. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll let you take a look at the scenery as always, and then I call it a day. Okay, before I do that, I just thought about something. Trading has something to do with you taking the correct decisions. So I published a book 2 days ago, and Amazon is offering me the possibility to put ads for the book on its web page. And I'm following somebody, I don't remember his name because I don't watch much of his videos. Most of them are BS. But he also published a book and he regretted it. And now I tell you why he regretted it. Because he did all the work writing the book. He did all the work for the proof reading of the book. He did then all the work for publishing it. And he put ads for the book. He paid 50K for ads. And what's the result? The result is that he didn't make the money back from the sales of his book. So he just wasted 50K and all his work and dedication. So he regretted it a lot. And that's a bad decision. But it's a decision you easily make. Because of course I want my book to be read. And of course I tell myself, if I just put some money into advertising, then my book will sell. But that is the wrong way to go, at least for me, in my opinion. Because I think that I'm in the same situation as that guy, that it won't be a bestseller and that the money won't come back. So the thing is with trading also, you get in the impression that you have to do something because it will be profitable, but you don't think it through and you take the wrong decision at the wrong time. And that's something you only learn with experience. So I don't have to waste 50K to find out that my book won't be a bestseller. I know that my book won't be a bestseller. It talks about stoicism, and stoicism is not something that is popular nowadays. But that does not mean that I should not write the book or publish it. I think that my work is important. It was important to me, and I'm sure that it will be important to somebody who likes stoicism and wants to read Stoic books. Nowadays, with the lefties and the modern area, Stoicism is not something popular. But still, at least it exists. So once you read the letter of Lucilius and Marcus Aurelius, you can also read my book. And I think that's an important contribution to humanity, even if it will never sell enough that I make the money back. I don't even think that I make the money back, which is much less, but it still costs me money. I don't even think that I'll make the money back for my proofreading. Somebody read the book, so to take off the spelling mistakes and others that appear from time to time. And I don't even think that I make that money back. So I must be cool-headed, and I must remember that just throwing money at something will not solve the problem. Sometimes it does, but not always. There are small kind of people who have some notoriety and who are sure that if they put ads for 50K, they will sell 100,000 exemplars of their books. So they make the 50K back and over it. But that's a very small minority of people. It is not my case. So I can't expect that to happen for me. Anyways, it's just an example of the mistakes you will make during your life. And those mistakes must be avoided, because if you don't avoid them, they are extremely costly to you and your bottom line. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow as always. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.